It's me, Jimmy again. So here's the original NP-BX1 battery. This battery is the most popular and the longest running battery in the Sony compact series. Personally, I have experience using this one back in the Sony WX500 days. This battery, any RX 100 series or the Sony ZV, yeah, use this battery. Especially, let me show you my Sony ZV one. Yeah, here I went with the original battery because I don't like buying. I can buy like 2 or 3 battery for the same price for like $30-$35, but the capacity and the shell life is going to be absolutely poor. I do not recommend buying any third party battery. Always go with the first party battery. Okay, here we go. Okay, let me show you. Here we go. How is this? Okay, we get some kind of Sony, nothing special, like a simple precaution booklet, and then here's our Sony battery, as you can see. Plus it comes with a case, which is again a good thing, to be honest with you. Okay, let me put like this. Wow, always buy a original Sony battery. It doesn't really matter you're buying for Sony or any another camera. Do not try to be cheap. Like back in the Panasonic G7 days, I bought 3 battery, all of them was crap. Finally I bought a real battery for $40 for the Panasonic G7, and I was really very happy. It's much better if your battery you have the original battery. Subscribe and bye.